Dreaming of more in your life and career? Discover side hustles to boost your income. Master social media ads. Earn big helping businesses with TikTok and Meta ads. Skyrocket app downloads with App Store optimization (ASO). Optimize Amazon or eBay listings into sales magnets. Boost brand visibility with micro PR, helping startups get noticed. Design press kits that get brands noticed. Start your valuable journey now. Visit our website. Are you looking for a dynamic way to boost your income and dive into the digital economy? The world of TikTok and Meta ads media buying offers a lucrative side hustle for aspiring entrepreneurs. This field is all about strategically placing advertisements on popular social media platforms to reach target audiences effectively. It's a skill that's in high demand, offering significant earning potential. To begin your journey, foundational knowledge in digital marketing is essential. Understanding concepts like audience targeting, ad campaign structures, and performance metrics will set you up for success. Many free and paid resources are available to help you learn. Online courses from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or even YouTube tutorials can provide comprehensive training. Meta Blueprint and TikTok for Business also offer official certifications and learning paths directly from the platforms themselves. These are invaluable for mastering their specific ad ecosystems. Practical experience is crucial. Start by running small campaigns for personal projects or local businesses to apply what you've learned and build a portfolio. Once you feel confident in your abilities, you can start seeking clients. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting points for finding freelance media buying opportunities. Create compelling profiles that highlight your skills, experience, and any successful campaigns you have managed. Testimonials from early clients can significantly boost your credibility. Many clients on these platforms are specifically looking for help with user-generated content, or UGC, creative testing frameworks. This is where your expertise can truly shine. UGC creatives are authentic, often raw videos or images created by everyday users, which tend to perform exceptionally well on platforms like TikTok and Meta. Your role involves setting up structured tests to determine which UGC creatives resonate most with specific audiences. This requires a systematic approach to data analysis. You will typically run multiple variations of UGC ads simultaneously, tracking key metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition. The goal is to identify the winning creatives that deliver the best return on ad spend for your clients. This iterative process helps optimize campaign performance over time. Effective communication with clients is paramount. Clearly explain your testing methodology, present your findings, and recommend next steps based on the data. This side hustle offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to work from home or anywhere with an internet connection. It's a true testament to the power of the digital age. With dedication and continuous learning, you can transform TikTok and Meta ads media buying into a significant and rewarding income stream. Start building your future today. Are you searching for a flexible and rewarding way to earn income from the comfort of your home? App Store Optimization, or ASO, presents a tangible opportunity to leverage digital skills for significant income generation. ASO is the strategic process of enhancing a mobile app's visibility within app stores like the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Its primary goal is to boost organic downloads by ensuring an app ranks higher in search results and categories. Think of ASO as the SEO for mobile applications. It's crucial for discoverability amidst millions of competing apps. Key aspects include keyword optimization, crafting compelling app titles and subtitles, and designing impactful visual elements. Additionally, optimizing app descriptions, managing ratings and reviews, and ensuring regular updates are vital for sustained success. To master ASO, begin with online courses available on platforms like Udemy or Coursera, which offer structured learning paths. Supplement your knowledge by regularly reading industry blogs and guides from experts, such as Mobile Dev Memo or AppTweak. Analyzing case studies provides practical insights into successful ASO strategies and common pitfalls to avoid. Once you've built a foundational understanding, practice by optimizing a personal app project or a friend's app to build a portfolio. Finding ASO work as a side hustle is highly achievable through freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Create a compelling profile showcasing your skills and any projects you have worked on, even if they are personal endeavors. Networking within the digital marketing community can also open doors to direct client opportunities and collaborations. The demand for skilled ASO specialists continues to grow, making this an opportune moment to enter the field. Embrace this journey, acquire the knowledge, and start building your ASO side hustle today. Your path to financial independence and a flexible, high-paying, and profitable career could begin with App Store optimization. Are you looking for a flexible way to boost your income and work from the comfort of your home? The world of e-commerce offers incredible opportunities, and one highly sought-after skill is Amazon and eBay listing optimization. This side hustle involves enhancing product listings to attract more buyers and significantly increase sales for online sellers. You will focus on key areas like optimizing product photos to make them visually appealing and professional. Crafting compelling bullet points that highlight essential features and benefits is another crucial aspect of this work. For Amazon, you will also work on A+ content, which allows for richer, more detailed product descriptions with enhanced images and comparison charts. Mastering these elements directly impacts a product's visibility and conversion rates, making your skills highly valuable. So, how do you acquire these valuable skills? The journey begins with readily available online resources. Many online courses, both free and paid, offer comprehensive guides to Amazon and eBay's selling platforms and optimization techniques. YouTube tutorials provide practical, step-by-step instructions that you can follow at your own pace. Crucially, practice is key. Start by optimizing your own listings if you sell online, or create mock listings to hone your abilities. Once you feel confident in your skills, finding work is straightforward through various online platforms. Freelance marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting points to connect with sellers seeking optimization experts. You can create a compelling profile, showcase your portfolio, and bid on projects that match your expertise. Additionally, consider directly approaching Amazon or eBay sellers whose listings could benefit from your services. A well-crafted email highlighting specific improvements you can make can open doors to direct client relationships. The potential for earning from home with this profitable side hustle is significant, offering flexibility and financial independence. Embrace this high-paying opportunity to learn a valuable skill and transform your free time into a profitable venture. Discover MicroPR, a powerful side hustle that connects founders with niche newsletters and podcasts, offering a unique path to entrepreneurial success. This innovative approach leverages public relations, content creation, and networking to amplify a founder's message to highly targeted audiences. MicroPR is a valuable skill for aspiring entrepreneurs and individuals seeking flexible online income opportunities. It's about strategically placing founders in front of the right listeners and readers, ensuring their stories resonate deeply within specific communities. To master MicroPR, begin with online courses specializing in public relations, digital marketing, or content strategy. Self-study is also crucial. Immerse yourself in industry blogs, case studies, and successful pitching examples. Actively practice by crafting mock pitches for imaginary founders and analyzing real-world newsletter and podcast content. Starting this side hustle from home requires a dedicated workspace, even if it's a small corner of a room. Ensure you have reliable internet, a quality microphone for potential podcast outreach, and a comfortable setup. Begin by defining your service offerings and creating a compelling portfolio showcasing your pitching skills and understanding of niche markets. Networking within entrepreneurial communities, both online and offline, can also yield early client opportunities. Platforms like Upwork are excellent starting points for finding your first MicroPR clients. Create a detailed profile that highlights your expertise in niche pitching and your understanding of founder needs. Fiverr offers another avenue, allowing you to create specific gigs for MicroPR services, attracting founders looking for targeted outreach. Showcase your unique value proposition and the specific results you can deliver for their newsletters and podcasts. LinkedIn is invaluable for direct outreach and building professional connections within the startup and media ecosystems. Utilize its search filters to identify founders in specific niches and connect with podcast hosts or newsletter editors. Craft personalized messages that demonstrate your understanding of their work and how you can genuinely add value. Micro PR is more than just a side hustle. It's a strategic service that empowers founders to reach their ideal audiences effectively. With dedication to learning and strategic client acquisition, you can build a thriving business from the comfort of your home. Embrace the world of micro PR and unlock your valuable and profitable potential as a valuable partner for founders everywhere. Are you looking for a side hustle that lets you unleash your creativity and help businesses shine? Building press kits could be your perfect opportunity to create a new income stream from home. A press kit, also known as a media kit, is a collection of essential information and assets about a company or brand. It's designed to make it easy for journalists and media professionals to tell their story effectively. Key elements often include a company overview, high-resolution visual assets, and executive bios. To excel in this side hustle, you will need a mix of creative and technical skills. Copywriting helps you craft engaging stories, graphic design lets you create visually appealing layouts, and branding ensures consistent messaging. Don't worry if you don't have all these skills yet. There are plenty of resources to learn them. Online courses, writing prompts, and practice with design software can significantly improve your abilities. Starting a press kit building side hustle is easier than you think. Define your niche. What types of businesses do you want to help with your expertise? Build a compelling portfolio by creating sample press kits that showcase your unique skills. Set your rates based on the value you provide, ensuring fair compensation for your efforts. Create a compelling profile on freelance platforms to attract your ideal clients. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn are excellent places to find clients. Upwork lets you bid on projects, Fiverr allows you to list your services, and LinkedIn helps you network and build relationships. Tailor your approach to each platform to maximize your success and reach. Building press kits can be a rewarding and profitable side hustle. With the right skills, a strong portfolio, and a proactive approach, you can create a successful freelance business from the comfort of your home. Start today and turn your passion into high-end profit. Tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Want to unlock financial freedom? Discover 5 unique side hustles that can generate serious income in today's digital economy. From mastering TikTok and Meta ads with UGC creative testing frameworks to dominating App Store optimization, optimizing e-commerce listings, crafting micro PR campaigns, and building killer press kits. Unlock the secrets to these lucrative, valuable, and profitable opportunities. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to never miss an update from Cipher-Cash.